Stacy, good to have you back.
Good to be
to
here.
Christina's point, I wonder, you've got to outperform 325. Is this a stock that's being driven by sort of next-gen, aspirational horizon stuff, or just more guidance on their ability to be tactical, manage supply chain, and so forth?
Well, I think the latter is important, for the near term. But I mean, look, this stock, it's a package of like open-ended option values. Like, this is the nice thing about Nvidia, is they're out there creating new markets. They're creating big TAMs. I mean, the ultimate opportunity in some sense can be as big as you want it to be. And so far, they've been delivering against those kinds of ideals. So this is why it gets the multiple that it does. And this is why investors have been enamored of it, I mean, for quite a while now. But I mean, they're really out there creating new markets and actually executing against that. So, yeah.
Right. So of those new addressable TAMs, what's most exciting? Give me which industries you think are going to be the ones to focus on.
Yeah, I mean, obviously data center is the one that everybody looks at. And I am hugely bullish on their long-term data center opportunity. There's a paradigm shift going on as we reach the limits of prior data center architectures. We need to do something else to keep performance and efficiency growing. We're offloading workloads into other types of silicon that they are providing. And I think the opportunity for that is over time massive. And I think we're still early. If you can look at their revenues relative to like how big I think this is, I think we've still got a lot of headroom there. The other one that people are getting really excited about is software. And you mentioned the metaverse earlier here, and I'll be honest, I'm maybe a little too boomer. I'm still trying to wrap my head around the overall metaverse opportunity. But in some sense, they're out there creating software that this could ride on. They've got what they call AI Enterprise. They've got Nvidia Omniverse. You can think about like sizing these things, and again, they can get blue sky like very, very quickly. We can be talking about like many billions of dollars over time. And today it's nascent. I mean, it's tiny. So these are the kinds of things that investors are getting really excited about if you're taking the long-term view on this stuff.
Yeah, Stacy, really excited. Nvidia's got about 4 times the market cap of Qualcomm, I think, and you're not alone in that metaverse thing. But why not? Why not embrace the narrative, especially since...
Look, I'm willing to embrace it. Like, it's fine. It's fine. I just got to wrap my head around it.
Yeah, it's a lot to wrap your head around. But why won't Nvidia get taken down with some of the momentum stocks, even visionary stocks like Tesla, given now that its market cap is bigger than Facebook, bigger than Visa? What is it about Nvidia that they've got to continue to show to maintain where they are right now?
Well, it already has been taken down. I mean, we had this pretty sizable growth rotation earlier in the year, and I mean, Nvidia is down fairly sizably from where it was at the peak. And I think he said it was trading about 40 times earnings, wherever it is right now. I mean, it was probably 60 times earnings not that long ago. So it's already come down like on the broader growth rotation. And the numbers have done nothing but skyrocket. I mean, it's been astonishing how large the positive revisions have been here. So, I mean, obviously they need to keep that up, but they need to keep the dream alive. That's really what's going to be important. There's a broader debate in the space going on right now in broader semis, this kind of peak cycle versus stronger for longer. I do find myself a little more in the peak cycle camp. We may have talked about that, now and then, but in that environment, one of the things I do like are things that are more secular versus cyclically driven. I do think Nvidia fits very nicely into that secular bucket.